Up next in fourth place is the Bravex Premium. Soak your vehicle in a mountain of suds with the Bravex Premium Foam Cannon and turn every vehicle wash into a fun foam party as you wipe away the dirt and road grime faster than ever. The Bravex is intended for pressure washer use and is the ideal choice for professional car wash shops or car enthusiasts. It is a heavy-duty foam cannon that is suitable for most quarter connector pressure washers that can be widely used on not only cars, but motorcycles, windows, driveways, roofs, ground, floors, and many more activities. We like that this foam cannon works under 725 psi to 4000 psi and water flow from 2.0 to 5.3 GPM. It has a heavy-duty brass core, which makes it sturdy, and a thicker foam core helps you avoid leakage. Another advantage is that it has an upgraded filter that provides maximum protection. Furthermore, the filter particles in the water or car wash soap avoid any scratches to the car. Moreover, the wide neck prevents the neck from cracking. And the broad mouth design allows you to pour liquid soap into the bottle easily. We particularly like that because it has a fairly large capacity. It's usually enough to wash the whole car. Even better, it has an adjustable water regulator and a flexible fan blade to ensure you get your desired foam consistency. Its pros are, it is compatible with most of the quarter-inch connectors, so you don't need to buy an adapter. It is a heavy-duty unit that works via pressure washers, and it has an adjustable fan blade, giving you control over foam consistency. However, it doesn't come with any kind of instructions regarding mixtures or pressure settings, which is annoying if you've never used one before. The Bravex Premium is an excellent tool to help you wash your car more efficiently. Still haven't found a foaming cannon that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.